We made it to Ubud, or Ubud. Ubud.
Ubud.
Ubud. We made it to Ubud. Been here just over a week now, after a short spat of Bali belly for one of us, which was no joke. We have managed to get around and do some bits and pieces whilst we've been here, but yeah, it's been very, very interrupted whilst we've been staying in Ubud. But we've managed to do a couple of bits and pieces, so yeah, if you've got a short amount of time to stay in Ubud, here's some of the top things that we got up to.
When you together, you put it separate. Yeah, because sometimes you like spicy, your partner no spicy. You can add chili on your food, not on your bread. And for the cabbage, easy. This one raw, and then this one we cut big chunks. Later when we cook, this one will be
Hot stuff.
our coconut oil. Don't add coconut milk, yeah? Only the oil. And then we add also only 1 spoon. Yeah. Okay. Long way, yeah. Be careful your hand when you put on the skin.
What's your favorite kind of stuffing?
Like curry, satay, noodle, open the tuna, ya. Rice topper. Nasi campur.
Welcome. Hi, Amara, Jacob and Alfie. Today we got a fun one for you. Bali Zoo, apparently one of the best zoos in Asia. They've got lions, tigers, elephants, all of the animals. So we're going to take you along and show you what we've got inside the zoo today. Snow White, is it? Shannon's feeling brave. She's been scared of the animals the whole time, and now she's... Find any dinosaurs in here. What animal's next then, guys? Okay guys, Shannon and I have made a very nice friend. Now, he's a little bit hungry and he's quite big. So let's go and give him some food. guys, we're now at the most dangerous animal of the zoo. If you listen really, really carefully, it sounds like Auntie Kyla. Meh! So we're looking at Bali health and safety, okay? We got this really, really strong, robust gate here. They did put a sign on it, to be fair. There's no lock on it. You can also walk around it. There's a very thin fence. And tiger. Yeah.